Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this factory certified 2019 Buick Encore Preferred Edition SUV. On the outside of this Encore, we have heated and power door mirrors, fully automatic headlights, rear window wiper, remote keyless entry, and rear backup camera. Inside, we have comfortable seating for 5, illuminated entry, push-to-start technology, tilt and telescoping steering wheel. The 8-inch LCD display has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2019 Buick Encore has less than 7,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.